the vanilla person? You're the vanilla. Okay, I get it. Alright, cool. Yeah, please give me a for gentlemen here. Yeah, we have the Fishman, the Mocha June, and Vanilla Ice Cream. I guess. Ladies, you already know the drill. You're gonna be choosing our winner right now, which will be receiving some amazing prizes brought to us by our Force and Shopping Experts. Actually, all three of them again in a prize, but first one is will also get a bottle of sparkling wine. So in case you don't drink, you can give it to me, alright? Pretty good, folks. So ladies, any final comments about our gentlemen, about their answers? What is your opinion?